well, let's start taking some of the clamps off, and we'll see how it looks. Take a look. A couple of those spots here we need to clamp a little bit more down this way. We've got this clamped in.
Now you're gonna go
But this is going to go
front to back. Huh?
front to back.
What are you gonna do first? This side or?
Yeah, this is going to be a little bit more difficult because we got the lip down here.
Yeah.
So, a little bit here. But I think we'll do this side first.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty soft in there.
Yeah.
Take a look at what we've used. Well, we're down about here, so use maybe a third of the glue so far.
Soften a little.
Yep. Well, we'll get that. It'll clean up pretty easy. So let's see what we can do down here.